Good afternoon, everyone. This is my year and about 3-month review of the Milwaukee 2488-20, the M12 soldering iron. First, a word about my reviews. Whenever I do make a review, I'm not going to review something as soon as I get it. I'm not going to pick it up and be like, oh my gosh, it feels so good, it's great, buy it. I try to use tools long enough to get a feel for it and to find a problem if there is a problem. So when I do a review, it's most likely when a problem has occurred, because I just don't really care about doing reviews. So I'll never remember to do a review on something that I have. So anyways, this was tool only at the Home Depot for about $79. It'll come with tool and 2 tips. You have 1 chisel tip and 1 point tip. I'm not going to power it up because I'm going to show you the problem that I found, and I don't want to wait for it to cool back down. So on, it'll turn green when it's ready. Off, the light will stay illuminated as long as there is a battery in there, showing red until the tip is cool enough to touch it. The tool has 3 stops. By pressing this button, you can have it 1 here, 1, 2, and 3. I usually just keep it straight because that's just how I hold it. To change the tip, you can unscrew here, remove the sleeve, remove the tip from the heating element, and put a new tip on. And it's just the reverse. Just put the slide sleeve back on and tighten it back down. So usage, what I use this for is just to make repairs on small wiring at work or here at home on a car or something. I use this to take apart battery packs or extend wires, just little things like that. I'm not doing huge jobs that take forever. So since it heats up so fast, I think it's under 30 seconds. When I'm using it, after I desolder something or solder something together, I'll shut it off because I don't like it just sitting around being hot all the time. So since it heats up so quickly, I'll just shut it off, turn it back on when I need it. So would I buy this again? Yeah, I'd buy another one actually. I'd like to keep one here at home and at work. I like the convenience of just being able to put a battery on it without running an extension cord or plugging it into the wall or waiting for a super long heat up time just to make a simple repair. So I would buy this again. I am probably going to buy another one for work. So what I'm used to is those small, pencil type solder irons. I've never really used those big gun ones because I just don't work in electronics and make those type of repairs. So that's never something I needed. But the pen type, the pencil one is real thin, so you get used to holding something real thin and light. It took a few minutes to get my grip and how to position the tool the way I like. So I can hold it like this and it's fine, make the repair. I can hold it by the handle and make a repair. Even with the compact battery, you can get the battery in there. I'm not going to power it up, and just kind of sit it here wherever you like and make your repair like this, which is really convenient. So yes, I really like the tool. The size of it takes a few minutes of getting used to, but once you're used to it and it's fine. So I would buy this again. I really like it. Okay, the problem that I found. So if you look at the tip, if it'll focus, I don't know if it'll focus here. I'll hold it like this. But if you look at it, you can see the movement in the tip. So we'll remove the sleeve and the tip. If you look closely, you can see that this metal threaded portion is molded into this. I think it's a nylon with glass fiber reinforcing. So it's melted away from its mold. So you can see it's got a lot of movement in there. I'm going to take it off and we'll get a better look. So you can see it's melted there at the base of the threaded portion. And it is cracked around here. So that's where all that movement is coming from. It's just melted and cracked. I originally wanted just to give them a call and have them send that piece out, but looking at the service parts list, there is no part number for that nylon portion there. So you have the thimble, the sleeve, the tips, and whatever, but there is no part number for that. So I can't just call them up and ask for it. Instead, what I did was I used Milwaukee Tools' new e-warranty on their website. So what you do is just go to their website, make an account, and you can input the information of the tool, your serial number, and everything like that. And you can choose the options you want. There's one option to where they'll fix it for a certain amount if it's out of warranty, or they can recycle it for you so you don't have to have it sent back to you if you don't want the tool, or they can return the tool back to you for a shipping price if it's out of warranty and you don't want them to fix it. So since this tool is under warranty and it will be fixed, I just chose, fix it, and they'll send you a shipping label. I'm not going to see my address. And they'll ask you for, if you have it, they'll ask you for a receipt, which I do. That's right here. And they'll have you print a paper with all the information that you inputted, your address, your email, phone numbers, and stuff like that. And the information of the part that you're sending in. So that's all the information for the solder iron. So hopefully I'll get this out tomorrow afternoon, and once I receive it back, I'll update this and let you know how it went. Thanks for watching.